Automated and non-automated bookings. With atlacarte, we have two forms of bookings, one which is automated and one which is non-automated. In this video, we will show you examples of both. Here you see that the notification has just arrived. This is an example of a non-automated token, which means that you have to accept the booking manually. You simply click Approve. And voila! The booking of your customer has been approved. Now you can see that the customer appears here in the booking overview screen, once their booking has been approved. You can move the customer's booking around to different dates and time slots. You can also open Chat to see any booking details and make their booking experience more pleasant. You can edit their booking, move it, for example, to a different time, and they will automatically get a notification of this update. If you click this automated booking button on booking settings, the bookings will be automatically accepted if the table is available. Let's try that out now. The customer is about to place a booking, and it automatically appears on your booking overview screen if a table is available. It really is this simple. Thank you.